Hi guys, so today I'll be replacing the power distribution box, which is right on top of the battery. So for you to get to the battery, what you need to do is just lift this up, remove this screw, and once you remove that, the whole thing will come up. Mine is broken, as you can see. The two notches just came off from there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this. And once you remove this, you can see the partial distribution box. And to remove this guy, you just have to take it out from here. If you have a plastic tool, it really helps to lift this up. But technically, you really have to remove this, and then this thing will just pop right back out, and you just have to wiggle with it. And once you remove this, then you have this. This is the distribution box. Here, as you can see, the power distribution cover, and this is easily removable. There is two notches like this. There's one on this side and a little bit one on underneath this, and you just press on it, and this thing, you can just move this, lift this cover and this cover and just wiggle it out, and this thing, the whole thing comes out. And you just have to press on this metal piece, and then the whole plastic cover piece will pop right back out. And let me show you what exactly it is like, because I've already changed mine, so it will give you an idea. So here it is. So what you do is just kind of hold this, press this, and then this thing will come off like this, and now it will expose all your terminals. And it's installed like this. That's connected to the battery. All this power, so basically it's bringing in positive DC and feeding all these terminals, and these are all fuses which are non-repairable. So if any one of these goes out, you will have issues with the car. And the best way to test them is using a digital meter while it's connected to the battery. So if you have positive here, and if you don't see any voltage coming on this side, meaning that will tell you that it is dead. There's another way of buzzing it too. Buzzing it meaning using an ohm meter, but for that it has to be dead. You have to remove it, and you can buzz from this side to this side. And if you have a continuous impedance reading, then it means it's good. If you see it as an open circuit, you will see it on the meter. The best way and the easiest way is checking for voltage. So just put your voltmeter here, connect one side to the DC negative or any part of the body, and the other side will go on this, and you'll see 12 volt or 13, whatever, and then measure it on the other side. And if you don't see, in my case, this was bad. So what I did was basically disconnect all these going to the thing, to the battery, and then disconnect power. You remove this, you plug it back in. Okay, so to remove this distribution box on the battery on the F10, there's this wire right here that goes right here. So I unscrewed that. The first thing you need to do is unscrew the negative terminal, because you don't want to short anything. And the problem with mine is this right there, this fuse block. This fuse is bad, so and there's no way you can replace it. So you have to replace this, and it's an expensive part at the dealership, but you can buy used ones on eBay for like 50 bucks, and that's what I did. So to remove it, what I'm doing is I remove the negative terminal. This is the one with the purple, goes right here to the second block, and this guy right there was tied in on this lug nut. So I removed that. Then what I did was there is also a lug right here on top, which I removed, and this power goes on top of right here on this lug. So, and that's pretty much it. And what I'm gonna do is just remove all these cables. There's this wire kind of goes to the first one. There's this on the third one, and then there's the black one goes on to the second one. So just keep track of it, take pictures or mark it up however you want to do it. And then this module comes off. I'm not going to change the battery. Now if you want to change the battery, it's pretty simple. I mean, you just take these once this part is off, you can remove this bracket, and the battery just comes off. Very easy. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do the removal.